Hey everyone, my name is Joanna Colon and I will be presenting my CE6440 ITS application description project, which is the Atlanta North Avenue Smart Corridor. So first off, I'll explain some of the conditions of the North Avenue in Atlanta before the Smart Corridor was introduced. The accident rate was 200% higher than the state average for similar corridors as of 2014. The corridor serves up to 29,000 vehicles a day and has institutions such as Georgia Tech, Coca-Cola, and the Georgia Department of Transportation. The corridor also includes multiple public transportation systems, such as the MARTA bus system, Georgia Tech shuttles, Coca-Cola shuttles, and the future streetcar. The corridor also has heavy pedestrian and bicycle traffic, with bike share locations planned for the future. So firstly, what is a smart corridor? SMART stands for Safety, Mobility, Automated, Real-Time Traffic Management. The definition is a modal or multimodal surface transport corridor with quality infrastructure and logistic facilities, using innovative intelligent transportation systems aimed at facilitating trade through simplification of transport administrative processes and providing real-time information to the key corridor stakeholders. So here's a little project summary. The project name is the North Avenue Smart Corridor. It started in May of 2016 and was completed in September of 2017. The budget was $3 million and the corridor included a 2.3-mile stretch of road, 26 signalized intersections. The partners included Georgia Department of Transportation, Georgia Tech, Renew Atlanta, and Atkins. So here's some of the technologies that are on the corridor. There are hundreds of Internet of Things sensors. There's an urban environment adaptive signal timing system. The roadway was restriped. There's vehicle to infrastructure communications, and there's a smart device application named Travel Safely. So one of the big technologies was the adaptive signal timing with the Internet of Things technology. So Smart Traffic TD image processing application was used in conjunction with traffic cameras. It used the existing access cameras installed at the intersections from 2015. And they provide real-time traffic data such as volumes, vehicle type, speed, and queues. It's used in conjunction with the adaptive signal control systems to improve traffic conditions at any given time. Additionally, the system can handle emergency vehicles, which are now allowed to preempt traffic signals and travel through intersections cleanly. The data is collected on cloud platforms and is a demonstration for the Internet of Things deployment transportation, where everything is connected to everything. So the Travel Safely app is another huge component of the Smart Corridor. It gives notifications to drivers, bicyclists, and pedestrians. These notifications can include traffic signal timing notifications such as green lights or red lights, zone notifications such as school zones or work zones, curve warnings. They also can include cyclists ahead, pedestrian ahead, and emergency vehicle warnings. And they can also give warnings to pedestrians and cyclists of incoming vehicles. So I have a few clips here to show you the user interface of the Travel Safely application. This first clip shows how the application notifies the driver of traffic signal information.
Get ready for green. Get ready for green. Red light.
So yeah, as you can see, the clip shows how the vehicle was notified of the light changing to green when it was at red, and notified the driver also of possible running a red light. This clip shows how the Travel Safely app can notify drivers of upcoming cyclists and how it can also notify the cyclists of incoming vehicles.
Cyclist.
High-speed vehicle caution.
So yeah, again, as you can see from the clip, both the driver and cyclist were aware of each other. So the result of the smart corridor, we have already seen a 25% reduction in the accident rate along the corridor. And the future of the North Avenue Smart Corridor includes continual upgrades to the traffic signals, including the installation of fiber communications, and also the restriping of the roadway will support automated vehicles, which are set to be tested on the corridor soon. Additionally, there's also plans of expanding the Smart Corridor program within Atlanta. Some areas of interest for future projects include Campbellton Road in Southwest Atlanta and Buckhead Loop.